So for this video lesson, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and use the timing function in Movie Maker, okay? So sometimes when you add your music from the beginning, it may not be at the exact point where you want it, or there may be some extra sound or footage that you want. For example, if I hit play, it doesn't just start with a song, there's some other things that are going on. So if I hit play, there's some other songs or information that is kind of going on. So simply just play through it and just find out where it actually stops. So for the purpose of lesson, mine doesn't stop till it was like at 19-20 seconds. So again, just hit play, and this just says 19 seconds. So hit play. Mine doesn't start till about 20 seconds. Again, I'm going right here. It says 20.33. So what you can do is you can change the time in here. So double click on your song, and where it says start point here, you're going to go ahead and just enter the time. So again, mine was 20. Click outside the box, and now it'll start exactly at that point where your song actually plays. Okay. So next, if I hit play, all right. So there we go. Our song is pretty much exactly where we need to be. So I'm just going to rewind it here, and it looked like he didn't actually start talking till about 4 seconds, or say till 4 seconds. Again, I'm going by the timing down here. So what you can actually do is you can change the timing of each picture, or how long the picture will stay on the screen. So you simply just double click on that picture, and it says duration here. Okay, you simply just need to go either and pick a song, or you can actually just type it in yourself. So I'm going to put 2 seconds there. I'm going to double click on this one here, and I'm going to do 2 seconds as well. Okay, and let's go ahead and try and see if it starts off playing with the guitar in the beginning, and then when he says oh, let's see if it matches up. So I hit play. Okay, so it looks like we're just like a little tiny bit behind. So it looks like this one was a little bit faster. So again, I'm just going to take some time off. So I will double click on that one, and maybe I only want it for 1 second. Okay, so let's see if it works right there. So maybe this one was a little bit shorter too. I'll do only 1 second there. So let's try it, see how it goes. Okay, so if we're still having problems, again, you can even just double click on it. And I'm going to go 1.5. Let's just see what this difference does to both of those, okay? Again, it's trial and error. I'm not always going to get it right either, so let's try it out. So there we go. So we have the O there. So now it seems like we need to go to our next one. So if I double click on the O, okay, again, I'm going to go to my duration here. And usually if they're talking pretty fast, you want to go around what's called 0.3 seconds. So you can enter 0.3, okay? And that usually works the best for most of them. And again, double click on your next one. And I would probably do around 0.3 or so, give or take. And again, we can always change this, but let's just see kind of how it goes. So I'm going to click right here, hit play. So it seems to work pretty well. Again, depending on how fast or slow that your person is speaking, you may leave it on the screen. So let's say if this one needs to go longer, double click on it and say I want this for 0.5 seconds. You know, that's half a second. Scroll back and just rewind, hit play. Okay, so it looks like we have timing is pretty decently on. Again, you can always just mess around with your functions just by double clicking on it and changing the timing that you have there. So again, play with the timing. It is trial and error, guys, but have some fun with it. And again, it's all about the timing. Okay, there you go, guys. Have some fun.